Do you machine tool steels? Are you looking to significantly reduce your cycle time in deep pockets? I'm joined by the man who's going to teach you how. Mike, tell us more.
Well, this is our Bulldog range. It's a tool for serious roughing in the tool steels. So roughing out, it's a high feed tool, small depth of cut, whatever rate we can get out of your machine and your application, you'll see a very, very good metal removal rate.
And how do we do this? You mentioned high feed. It's not what we class as a high feed tool, is it?
Not in the sort of aerospace type high feed tool, but yeah, it's a roughing tool. So the industry need to rapidly remove material ready to obviously finish. So this is the best tool. It's our biggest selling tool, one of our biggest selling tool, perhaps maybe first, second. Predominantly we supply to the export market with this tool. The industry is bigger export than in the UK.
And I know if we look at the end geometry, it's not standard, is it? That's fairly unique.
Yeah, absolutely unique. Yeah, it's something that was developed many years ago, and it's a tried and tested method. So big radiuses. We allow ourselves also to remanufacture this a good number of times, maybe 5 or 6 times.
And I know you've talked about mould and die market, mould segment, but it's anyone using difficult steels, isn't it?
Difficult steels, yeah. If you've got to remove a lot of material, that's a tool for you. So ramping in to depth, and then obviously finishing, roughing through with whatever feeds that we can get out of your machine or your application.
And again, designed, manufactured right here in the UK.
All of it in the UK.
Good. Thank you, Mike.
Thank you.
And thanks for watching.